Hello guys, this is Mushkimi and welcome to part 3 of Joystick. You must, I think you can see that there are 5 LEDs on this breadboard. All the LEDs we are going to use for this circuit. Like every LED has 2 pins, a positive and a negative. Try to put the positive LED onto the left side, like always onto the left. Okay. You must be thinking like the middle LED is in the middle and how is it going to get connected? That is what I'm going to show you. First, I'm just going to move all the LEDs. Take the first LED. Okay. So, like over here, you might find a number. The last number must be 30 over here. You have to find the number 15 and try and put the positive in the line of 15 and negative in the below line of 15. First it is connected and like it should be on the left side, the positive. Next. Now for the next LED, we are going to put it above it. Put on a 16th and 17th line because if we have already connected one LED on the 15th, that's why I am connected on the 16th and 7th, 16th and 14th. Okay. Take the next LED and put it the same way just below. Now in the side way, you're going to take this and just put it on the line number 5. Now on the line number 25, next LED. All the 5 were connected, I hope. Now just take some male to male jumper cables. Okay. I'm just going to take some in my hand. Over here I have a bunch of 6 jumper cables. I'm just going to attach two for one LED like normally. Okay. So we just go first. I'm going to attach the side LED. Attach it just below the LED and above it. Because if we are attaching the side, the power will not flow to it. First LED is done. Now the second one. Uh, Now we'll go back to the top. Now you're going to go to the top LED. Next one. See over here also you need to attach in the line because the power always goes like this. It goes like this. It never goes like this all the side. Like many LEDs are in the same line, so they all will get the power the same. So we don't want it like that. As the breadboard is made in such a way. Now last LED for me. Oh, okay, see. Here these are connected. Now like I'm going to use some more jumper cables to connect the rest too. For the middle LED, you are going to connect like the same way like we have connected the left and right LED. Because it's in the middle. Done. The connections are done. Now we are going to first do it for the this LED. Okay, find the ground of it. Sorry, was okay. On the breadboard, there's a section of ground. Like in the below, there's a line of ground. Put all the grounds in that ground area. Okay, open next. I have one yellow is my one ground. Just make sure that all the grounds are connected in one line. If one ground is here, one ground is here, one ground is here, that will not work. It would work, but then you will need to give power to both the grounds, which might make it a bit harder. Okay. Now I think all the LEDs are done and last is left. Just make sure that no LED connections are like not done. Only for the ground. So I've attached all of my grounds and that's it. You have done most of the connections for the LEDs, and now in the next part I'm going to show you how to connect their like the positives of the LED to our Arduino. Thank you guys. Bye.